here another one shall be lit in the morning sun. Working hard but haven't done. You'll believe it. You'll believe it. You ready? A beautiful day. It's Labor Day, Labor Day. The party out. Labor Day, Labor Day, Labor Day. Woohoo! Labor Day. Gordon, you're helping dead people. Dead people. Oh my gosh, I don't want to do dead people. Day. Labor Day. You must be getting some news. Labor Day, Labor Day, Labor Day. Oh yeah, Labor Day, Labor Day, Labor Day. Let's go on a cruise today. Is that our hometown big
Wait.
Woohoo! Looks like a private island. Oh my gosh, we need to go to the pyramid. Wait. Anyway, the school's on fire. Help! Run away, Gordon. I found some here. No one coming. Let's go. Oh gosh, Jordan, I have to wait. No one coming. Let's go. It's hard. The puzzle tree. I chose the #1 engine, and you are tape engine. Technical. I'm technical. Oh, ow. Hurry. Right when you're older. Okay. Sounds great, Gordon. Let's go celebrate Labor Day. You have to get the fireworks. Fireworks. Look at the camera. Fireworks. Fireworks. Okay, that's the end.
Go.
Thomas, you're on the floor. Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Cedric. Thank you for watching the Thomas and the Car Show Labor Day Special. Part 2 will be published tomorrow. Let's bye. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here I love the one. Shouting in the morning sun. Working hard, having fun. Job
Okay, that's a wrap.
Okay, no.
Oh, let's say something. Okay, so.